said, you don't really wanna fuck with me. We hustling and we out here trying, hey. And I said, you don't really wanna fuck with me. I got some real killers surrounding me. And they gon' do your ass, shoot your ass for free. I got some real ass niggas around me. My niggas shoot shit up for the free. See, they don't care about you or neither me. Yeah, neither me, nigga. So we don't care about you. And if you fuck with my niggas, you know what the fuck we do. We grab an AK-47 shoot. And now I let the motherfucker get loose. I be up in the club and I ain't no goose. I'm off that cushion, I got double cups too. And if you niggas know that we don't fuck with you, you niggas hating on the nigga cause we winning. And all this money got a real nigga spinning. And we ain't rockin' Versace, we rockin' linen. Cause we in Gucci, motherfucker, Gucci down. I think I got my Gucci belt right now. But you can't see it cause this fucking freestyle. You gotta pay a nigga for my freestyle. You know this shit right here, my killers get wild. I make them niggas get bucked right now. And we ain't never thrown in the motherfucking towel. We shoot your ass and let your ass sink when you drown. My niggas getting this money right now. And you know that we want this shit right now. Hey, we be starving for this shit right now. I said I'm hungry for this shit right now. I said we getting to this shit right now. A nigga hatin', we gon' lay his ass down. We count money in the trap right now. I got some hustlers that'll snap right now. I got some bitches wanna fuck right now. I told them bitches to pull up right now. We got trade money up in the trap. That nigga breaking them fucking pounds down. You better recognize who you talking down. When you niggas see us, we gon' shoot the round. Bang!